ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kalahaban Pynsangeh shwa ya ka walk-in interview na ka benta ka post junior scientific assistant ya ka bala bu ban pelong ha ka khatlai tarik unai lur arajar phulai ka jing Pynsangeh ban pelong gini ka interview ka dei na ka daw ba ki nong thep kam ki da poi palat ka south pangot kat hado ba ka labu jing ya ki board penya jong ni ka office u member secretary jong ka board u ar nai na malai ha ka jing ekran ba ka Batesi TV ulai tho ba ka ni ka office kan sepen bana ta ka wai pat ka tarik na ka benta ban pelong ya ka ni ka walk in interview
for 9 posts under some central schemes. Okay, so for that we have given advertisement a few weeks before, and based on that today the date was scheduled to be held on 13th September 2023. Today, that is today, and today at the time of registering we have found that almost 427 candidates for the post of 9, and it was difficult to conduct in one day, so we have to reschedule it, and we have to find it ways and means how to conduct interview, maybe through kind of exam, or maybe we have to increase the number of boards, interview board, so that we can finish it in 1 or 2 days, something like that. Otherwise, one day it is not possible. By seeing the condition, the numbers, it is very difficult for us to conduct in one day. So even if you keep 5 minutes also, it needs 30 hours, something like that. It is not possible. So now we have to increase the interview board 3-4 numbers, so that we can finish it in quickly. No, because we cannot handle this much crowd. No, we never anticipated this much to come. No, earlier also we conducted, we never got this many numbers, 20, 30, or recently one interview was held, just only 60 candidates, 58 or 60 candidates that appeared for 6 posts. And this time for 9 posts, almost 10-12 of that number has come. So it's very difficult for us to conduct in one day. So now we have to work on that. Just we have to discuss with the chairman, member secretary, and engineers, scientists, and how to go ahead with. So for that we need time. So we have to reschedule it. We wanted to do it in a proper way. Just one day, 1 minute, 2 minutes. We cannot judge the persons. No, at least one candidate should be given 5 minutes time for the interview. And if you calculate roughly 527 into 5 minutes, so we want to judge. We want as per our requirement, because this is a junior scientific assistant. We need a better student, for this post. So we need time. We didn't anticipate this much numbers will turn out.
So the dates are you? When?
The date now I cannot tell, because now assembly is also going on. So we suppose one day to a few candidates means that 50-60 also would have managed it, but this much it is difficult. So, and the next week, the assembly also starting, we cannot keep holding our interview, and our chairman busy, myself also busy, and all the engineers, scientists also, they have to go for the assembly duty. So we are not able to conduct. Today only interview only. Registration and interview today.
Okay. No, written test, no?
No, today we have not.
Only interview.
Interview only. This we call for the walk-in interview.
Oh.
Now we have to devise. We have to decide how to handle this crowd, so that we have to keep the minimum days to complete it. We cannot prolong for 4 days, 5 days, or something like that. There was some representation of the Gaurav Hills. They want to conduct separately there in Gaurav Hills. So maybe, I don't know. These are all just we received applications, and from the candidates only who appeared who were registered from the Gaurav Hills, they asked for it. Just we'll consider it how to go ahead with that. 10-fold increase this time, and the area fully occupied by candidates.
Fully crowded.
And the registration itself, how much time it took?
We started from 10 o'clock. Quarter to 12.